General purchase orders, or GPOs, are used to enter non-inventory bills to the business and create payables for these bills. For example, you could add an electric bill as a general purchase order to be able to write a check for the bill amount. You can create a general purchase order in two places, either in the Parts and Service module under the Parts Ordering tool in the menu tree, or in the Accounting module under the Order Entry tool menu in the menu tree. Choosing one of these links will open a new blank general purchase order. Begin by entering the entity reference. This is used in accounting to be able to search for the order. We'll leave the Pay To field alone at this point, since the entity we're creating the GPO for may have specific information set for them. The purchase order number, sublet document number, ordered by, and received by fields are not editable and will automatically populate. The GL account automatically populates with the default AP account for the company. If the entity you chose has an AP account assigned to it in the entity profile, the GL account field will populate with that account number when the entity is selected. Choose either the button to add a new entity or to search for an existing supplier entity. Enter or choose the entity that the general purchase order is regarding. To collapse the supplier section, click the Summarize Details button. For a new general purchase order, you will add a new order line or import a GPO template order line. GPO templates allow you to create lines that are used repeatedly for suppliers. These pre-built lines allow you to quickly add information to the purchase order. Enter the cost of the purchase into the cost field. Description, comments, and other fields can be entered based on what your dealership wants to include. The GL account here is the debit account. If you need to add another line, you can choose to Submit and Add New. If this is the only or last item you are adding, choose the Submit button to add this line to the GPO. In the bottom right corner of the GPO, there are several buttons. Clicking the Save button will save the GPO without ordering it. The first time that you save, an order number will be created. You can choose to upload or view documents pertaining to the general purchase order, like a copy of the original bill. You may also click the button to print the order. This will open a new tab on your browser with the order shown, but should only be selected after the purchase order is saved. Click the Request Approval button if the general purchase order needs to be approved. This will open a window where the employees capable of approving GPOs will be listed. Check each of the employees who you wish to request approval from, and then click the Send Request button to email to the approvers. If an approval was sent, you can view the results by choosing the Approvals button on the general purchase order. Choosing the Order Now button will place the order but not receive it. You will be asked to confirm the order. The buttons in the lower right of the order will change. The new buttons will allow you to receive or reopen the GPO. Selecting the Order and Receive button will place and receive the order immediately. You will be asked to confirm the order. The buttons in the lower right of the order will change, allowing you to reopen the GPO or post it to accounting. Clicking the Reopen Ticket button will reopen the GPO and move it back to the Purchase Order List Not Fulfilled page. If you reopen a GPO that has been posted to accounting, the program will create a reversal journal entry and new posting journal entry when you receive the PO again. In accounting, there will be the original post, reversal post, and new post.